Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what those twinkling stars are actually doing out there? Well, buckle up, because the truth is way cooler than you might think. Stars aren't just pretty dots lighting up the darkness. They're the wildest, most powerful factories in the entire universe. That's right. Every single thing you can touch, taste, or see on this planet, it was made inside a star. Let me blow your mind. Let's start at the beginning. Stars are born from giant clouds of gas and dust. Imagine a massive space pancake, slowly squishing together under gravity until, bam! The pressure in the center gets so intense that atoms start smashing together. That's called nuclear fusion. And that's the secret recipe for making new elements. The simplest ingredient in the universe is hydrogen. It's the stuff that fuels every young star. Inside a star's core, hydrogen atoms are squeezed and fused together, creating helium. But things don't stop there, because the star gets hungry for more. As the star ages and burns hotter, it starts fusing helium into even heavier elements, like carbon and oxygen. Now, this is where it gets epic. Massive stars, we're talking real giants, reach temperatures high enough to fuse those elements into even heavier ones, like neon, magnesium, and silicon. And in their final explosive moments, they go absolutely bananas, creating the biggest elements you find here on Earth, like iron, nickel, and even gold. Yeah, gold. The bling on your favorite jewelry? Forged in the heart of a dying star during a supernova. Supernovas are like the ultimate fireworks. When a giant star can't hold up under its own gravity, it collapses and then explodes, blasting those brand new elements out into space. That stardust floats around, eventually clumping together to form new planets. And billions of years later, you and me. So next time you slurp your morning coffee, tap your phone, or just breathe in and out, remember, the atoms making all of this possible were born in the heart of a star. You are literally made of stardust. Kinda makes you feel pretty cosmic, right? If you love this trip through the universe, hit subscribe and let's keep exploring the wonders of science together. Catch you under the stars.